Senator Burks.
What is a Category 4 school?
I might have to defer to Bruce on this, but as I understand it, we have 7 categories of school in the state of Tennessee. Almost all public schools are ones or 2s, and most private schools who have sought state approval and state certification are 2s or 3s. Would that be right? And Category 4s, again, were created in 1976 in this church-related school statute, and they are small, private, mainly Christian schools. I know I've got one. Senator Munch and I have at least one in our district in McMinn County. I don't know if there's one in Bradley County as well. That are just small, private Christian schools that the legislature, the state, has given them the authority to teach children without meeting certain state standards. Again, it's mainly it was a statute created in 1976 mainly to allow people to educate, to exercise their religious freedom to educate their children as they see fit.
Do they have the same testing that the homeschool schoolers?
Well, a lot of homeschool students also are Category 4 students. They're actually recognized by law or recognized under the Category 4 statute. So Category 4 would include many or most of the homeschool students in the state. And these private schools as well. In talking with a couple of different Christian school organizations, I believe there would more than likely be about 100 of these schools statewide, and out of the an estimate of about 40,000 homeschool students in the state of Tennessee. Most of them are also being educated under this 4950-801 statute or the church-related school statute. The rest of them are registered with their LEAs, which is the 4960-3050 statute.
Okay. Senator Burke. Oh, sorry.
I just hadn't heard that Category 4. I didn't know what that was.
Well, I know it's confusing for me at times, so.